Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be making
bouncy balls.
This is everything you will need. We're going to start with 2/3 cups warm water. 1 tablespoon of borax.
This looks so cool. Set this up.
Add 2 tablespoons of white glue in a cup. Pour 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into your glue.
I did all right. Let me pick a color. I'm going to choose pink.
I choose teal.
Whoa, look at mine. It's cool.
I'm mixing mine real. Glue mixture into your water.
And now we mix together.
Let's take it out and roll it into a ball. You need to dry it with a paper towel to help mold it. It's in the shape you would like. Now it's time to bounce them.
If you like our bouncy balls, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell.
See you next time. Bye.